Oftentimes, the work that we remember is work that creates a feeling in us. I'm a 15-year media and advertising veteran. I reached a place in my career where I wanted to see more alignment between my values and how I spent my time. I thought brands could do more to deliver value to their consumers. Curiosity Labs is a hybrid entertainment, product, and consulting company. We started it 4 years ago around the premise that we were going to help organizations, individuals, brands to build lasting community around their values. One of the foundational things that we teach about empathy is greater understanding of the 5 core emotions: joy, fear, anger, sadness, and shame. These are the real issues that fill our news streams, make up the majority of our conversations, and that ultimately color our dreams and our fears. Our workshops use the Actually Curious cards as a tool to teach skills of empathy. Those being creating and maintaining a safe space, listening with curiosity versus fear and judgment, learning how to arrive at your own conscious and unconscious biases, and gaining skill at helping people to gently recognize their own biases. Today, as we're facing these 4 concurrent issues at the same time, massive polarization, a health and economic crisis that's brought about by COVID-19, a necessary racial justice movement, and a ever increasingly compounded mental health crisis, being willing to have real conversations about fear has to come from the top down and the inside out. But it also begins with having the right people in the room, having the right representation that reflects the audiences and communities that we're trying to build lasting relationships with. We've been incredibly privileged to have the opportunity to bring our workshops into brands, into nonprofits, and into universities. This is just the beginning of installing the tools of empathy into corporate America. Together, we can flip the narrative on capitalism by creating brand and marketing campaigns born from our values and that deliver profits and purpose as the norm. So, are you ready to join the movement to spread empathy?